I come to you hungry and tired. Give me food, give me sleep. I come to you weak. Give me strength, back deep. Call me a sheep. Lead me to green pastures. Only asking that I keep the focus in between the chapters. You give me the word. This is life. This is life. This is what I know. That's what I know. So to me, this is life. This is life. One more road to cross. One more risk to take. Gotta live my life like it's one more move to make. One more road to cross. One.
Don't you listen to me? We're not competitors. Him being out of the picture created tremendous opportunity for Hammer Industries, you know. Everything that Tony and I
But what's the
do
use of
is a
having
healthy,
and owning
healthy
a race car
competition.
if you don't drive it?
Is he driving?
Or gone right to the black market.
Reboot complete. You got your best friend back.
Thank you very much, Agent Romanoff.
Well done with the new chest piece. I'm reading significantly higher output and your vitals all look promising.
Yes, for the moment I'm not dying. Thank you.
What do you mean you're not dying? Did you say you're dying?
That you? No, I'm not. Not anymore.
What's going on?
I was going to tell you I didn't want to
You were
alarm
going to tell me you really were dying?
You didn't let me.
Why didn't you tell me?